Hello guys, today I'm going to do a fruit and vegetable tier list. Now first we have apples. Oh, apples. Yeah, they're so juicy. Like, apples are really good. They're like, they gotta go in an S tier, bruh. Apples are S. Bananas are good. They're good, but they're not like S tier good. They're A. They'll go in A. Tangerines. Oh, I love tangerines. They're so juicy. And the taste, I'll have to put that in an S. Now, a carrot. These aren't good as those three. Carrot, not B. It's so plain. They're like, I don't know. B or C, guys. Guys, comment which one you would put carrots in, B or C. Now, let me tell my opinion. Carrots are good enough. They're B. Actually, guys, you know when I said comment B or C? I just comment your opinion on carrots. Doesn't have to be B or C. Comment which one you would put carrots in. S, A, B, C, D, or F. I put them in B. They're plain, but kind of plain. Then cucumbers. Yo, cucumbers, can't say anything more. I have to put the cucumbers in S. Cucumbers are just so good, dude. They're really good. They have the right juiciness and yeah. Comment your opinion on these fruits or veggies. Where would you put them? S, A, B, C, D, F. Comment your opinion. Okay, guys, that was the end of this video. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one.